WePower needs blockchain to be global first. So we need to bring trust to people and to be able to invest globally in renewable energy. So to allow investment from one country to move to another and get the security in the blockchain, we get the security basically from the blockchain. Smart contracts allow us to transfer money from buyer of energy to the developer of the power plant, and to create safety that the energy will be delivered to the customer once the plant is up and running. Moreover, if we need to scale globally, we need blockchain as well. It is simple to work in one country and use a simple database for the energy trade, and it's currently used in many countries like that. But if you want to make the trade of renewable energy global, blockchain is a much better solution. So you'll be able to do the cross-border sale with by exchanging tokens, so basically exchanging value, and allow people to invest from one country to another country. So you can invest from Japan in Spain, or from Spain maybe in Australia. You get the transparency from blockchain, so you know in which project you invested, how much CO2 the project has saved, and how you as an investor and contributor to this ecosystem help to mitigate the climate change. Ethereum is a pioneer of smart contracts, and until it came to be, the smart contracts were complicated. We could also run them on Bitcoin, but we know it's a very complicated process to make them happen. Plus, Ethereum is an open ledger, so everyone has access to it. You can always check the state of the contracts, you can see the contracts, and there's a team working on the development of the project itself. So we know that it will not just stop at some point, and we'll not be able to work with it. We know that there are many projects developing the scalability of Ethereum, so we know that the infrastructure that we need will be there to support WePower project in the future. So yes, proof of work is an expensive feature of blockchain today. Most probably couldn't have started otherwise, because financial incentives are needed for the community to grow, and this was one of the growth factors for Bitcoin and Ethereum network. But Ethereum is switching to proof of stake soon, and this will lower the price of the transactions and make the cost negligible for smart contracts.
Looking at our timeline, we have 9 months to start the project, so we are quite confident that this problem will be solved within this timeline. Our project consists of 3 stages: WePower Breeze, Storm, and Hurricane. In the first stage, we are enabling renewable energy financing. With the next 2 stages, we are creating an infrastructure which allows green energy trading. Once we become a new generation utility, we can deliver electricity physically. WePower intends to disrupt energy market by presenting a new way to finance renewable energy projects. Using blockchain and smart contracts, we enable renewable energy producers to sell energy upfront in a transparent and fast way. On the other side, we allow investors, end users, and market makers to benefit from cheaper energy.
Well, we start in Spain, the market which we know quite well, and we intend to grow trading volumes over there first, try out our platform with our first customers, and then move to other countries where basically it is feasible to produce renewable energy at the market price or cheaper than it is produced today.
So Nick, what are the next countries after Spain?
Well, the next countries are Italy, Portugal, France, Germany, and then we will go to any other country in which there's abundancy in solar power, wind power, or hydropower, because all those renewable energies, depending on a country, of course, can produce energy at the market price or cheaper than it's produced from traditional dirty sources of energy. So WePower business model is created to provide capital faster and allow to tap in directly into the customer base. So the people who actually buy energy on a daily basis. We intend to standardize the process itself, so everything would be happening as smooth as possible, and the projects would come online as faster as possible. This increases the return on equity of the project developers, so onboarding them is a financial benefit for themselves. At the same time, it gives incentives for people to take part in the market, because it in such a way it provides a cheaper energy.
With the right marketing strategy and the increasing growth in the renewable energy sector, we are confident to onboard producers, and we already have secured the first client with 1,000 megawatts solar energy capacity. It's simple. We're going to onboard more people on our development and sales teams. We're going to file application to become independent energy supplier in Spain. And we're going to try testing our platform with the energy infrastructure, energy exchanges, and the first client we have.
Yeah, so we're going to work more on engaging our clients and our partners to start the development of projects faster and have a bigger community. Our smart contract is running in Ether. However, our partners are able to accept fiat currencies, Bitcoin and Dash. So if you prefer to donate in those currencies, please go to their websites.
And if you want to see the list of partners, go to our website.
So we're aiming to be a legally sound ICO. China has banned ICOs for now, but from the rumors that are there, it's basically to bring some regulation to the market. On the other hand, cryptocurrencies are still available and legal in China, so Bitcoin, Ether are there, and they will not go away. If some regulation, some form of regulation comes to the market, it might bring stability and probably more adoption and
growth,
belief in cryptocurrencies.
And I think that regulation on ICOs are not going to stop us entering as a company into the China. China is investing a lot of funds into renewable energy sector, so we are looking forward to start operating there as well.